Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today for this video I will be showing you how to log in into TikTok with Instagram. Now to begin with, first of all open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now here you tap on the me icon on bottom of the right side. That way you will go through your profile page. Here tap on edit profile. You can see the profile information over here, your name, username, bio, and just below that you can see Instagram. If you tap on it, you will be taken to the Instagram login screen where you will be asked to enter your Instagram login information. Type in your Instagram phone number, username or the email address and its password. I'm gonna provide now the password. Once you have provided your username and password, you tap on login. TikTok would like to receive the following information about Alexa Bliss. Now here you tap on allow, and that way your Instagram account will get linked with the TikTok account and you can log in into your TikTok through Instagram as well. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can log in into your TikTok account with Instagram. Please like and subscribe the Login Aid channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.